Question 37 reads, the plant draws 75 kilowatts. So that's power. 12 hours per day, 6 days a week. If the cost of power is 6 cents per kilowatt hour, and you know what? This might be better referred to as energy. What is the cost to run the plant for 4 weeks? So BC Hydro or any sort of provider is going to charge you for the energy that you use in a home or a plant or whatever it happens to be. So they don't necessarily care how much power you're using. They care how much power you're using as well as the time that you're using that power for. And that's where we get energy. Energy is equal to power times time. So in this case, energy, and this is what BC Hydro uses, they use power, they use a kilowatt for power, and they use hour for time. And so they'll charge you a rate per kilowatt hour. Now, in this particular case, we know that the plant draws 75 kilowatts, and we're assuming that it's just a standard 75 kilowatts all the time, consistently. So we know in this formula already that energy is equal to 75 times the amount of hours that it's running. So this is what we got to find here. How many hours is it asking us to find for? So we want to know for 4 weeks. Well, it's running 12 hours per day. And we know it's running 6 days a week. So we can take that 12 times 6. So it's running 72 hours per week. And it's running for 4 weeks. So now we take that 72 hours per week and multiply it by 4 weeks. And we end up that plant runs 288 hours every 4 weeks. So now we can throw that into our formula. So the energy is equal to 75 kilowatts multiplied by 288 weeks. So this plant uses 21,600 kilowatt hours. Now, we're not quite done. We want to know how much that energy is going to cost. So in this case, the provider charges 6 cents per kilowatt hour. So we're going to take our 21,600 and multiply it by 6 cents. And we get $1,296. And indeed, that is the answer to the question.